If you have this Lexus 2004 to 2009, the RX 330, the 350, or the 400H, you want to see these guys. Welcome, and we have the car of the day. Let's take a look. This is a 2004 Lexus RX 330, guys, and it will fit the 2004 to 2009, the RX 350, the 400H, and the 330 RX. And guys, right here what you're looking at is a leather replacement for the front seats. This is the dark gray color, guys, and it comes with the armrest and it comes with the headrest. So this is just the two front, guys, that we're gonna be replacing today. And this one didn't came with any other features like cooling and heating. Some vehicle does. So most likely you will not upgrade to this because this is just basically a replacement. But if you have any other vehicle, remember guys, we do this for virtually any car that you can think of. We can help you to get this leather back into your vehicle. And maybe you want to do an upgrade, then you get your degrees. And if that's too much, because this is a top of the line, please inquire about cost. At least get you here, guys. And let's take a look at the vehicle. And this is a well-maintained, beautiful Lexus. For sure, guys, it look better days already. A lot of wear and tear, foam is decay. The recommendation, guys, when you have a car this old, 20 years old, is to replace the foam pad. Not just to patch it up, because it's not a actually good solution. It will be temporary. It will collapse again. And what it is with foam, guys, it loses memory over time and it start to be compressed. And if you're gonna spend $1,500 over $1,000 in your leather replacement, because these vehicles are made out of 100% leather, this is what's happening to this vehicle. So they're not cheap to be put together. And take a look at the armrest, guys. So this is the problem. This is the severe decay that these vehicles has. And the clients normally says like this, guys: oh, my rear seats are okay. All right, it looks okay, but what happens, the leather is already decaying. The pigments are coming off the leather, or the pigments are getting gone. So it's really brittle, and what is gonna happen is it's gonna crack later. So if you replace the two front just like this customer did, eventually the two fronts are gonna uplift the rear. Besides, it's never gonna match. The color is gonna be obvious. And when you see the difference between the front and the rear, you say, I should have done everything. Because you increase the value of the car again, guys, and it will look fantastic for years. And resale value will be there. In this case, resale value will be gone because they're gonna have to do again the rear. So my recommendation, guys, is don't do that. Replace them both, because the price difference is not that much, especially for us. The only difference is probably is very few hundred, guys. It's not that much. If you just get the fronts, for sure you're gonna end up paying more money at the end. So that's my recommendation. Please don't do it. And guys, you want to do this transformation in your vehicle. I know these things looks like crap right now, but wait until I finish this installation so you can see how beautiful this car is gonna look. And for sure, you want to do this in your vehicle, guys, go to LeatherTeck.com, buy EM Upholstery Technology.com, so you can order your replacement if you wanna take this into your own hands. Otherwise, come here to San Bernardino, or I can recommend you a professional in your area so you can do the same custom design or factory design or a custom design. We have endless colors, over 60 different ones, combinations, contrast stitch, piping, special editions, custom patterns, guys, like diamonds, honeycomb, double diamonds. We also carry exotics, guy. We have ostrich, alligator, swing, which is not the case for the Lexus. You want it to be in just really plain, nice leather. But guys, those options are available at LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology.com. Like and subscribe, guys, so you can see more transformations, techniques, and how we do the installations for you beautiful leather seats at LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology. Guys, because we are demystifying the installation process, it's not that difficult. So look for the pictures for the completion of this installation so you can see the results, guys, and you're gonna be surprised. You wanna do that, guys. One last thing. Wanna save hundreds? Go to LeatherTeck.com and fill up that form so you can be part of the exclusive club of people that is gonna save a lot of money in their next kit, in the next leather interior. And the reason that is done this way, guys, because we cannot publish our discounts. They're so big that by legal reasons we are unable to publish. But once you are in that list, you're gonna get those benefits, guys. Don't miss out. Go to LeatherTeck.com and fill out that form. And thank you for watching. Look up for the next video, guys. And subscribe to the channel if you like my content. Thank you.